Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase credit history with TransUnion, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your credit history with TransUnion, start by checking your current credit report. Visit the TransUnion website and navigate to the credit report section. You can request a free credit report once a year. Review your report carefully for any inaccuracies or errors. Dispute any discrepancies you find. Next, consider applying for a credit card. If you don't have credit history, look for secured credit cards. Use the card for small purchases to build a positive payment history. Always pay your balance in full and on time to avoid interest charges. If you already have credit cards, keep your utilization ratio below 30%. This means using only a portion of your available credit. Consider becoming an authorized user on a responsible family member's credit card. This can help you benefit from their good credit history. Make timely payments on any loans you have to establish a solid payment history. Diversifying your credit types can also improve your score. Look into student loans, auto loans, or personal loans to create a more robust credit profile. Set up reminders or automate your payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Use TransUnion's credit monitoring tools to keep track of your credit score changes. This can help you stay informed about your progress. Finally, be patient, as building credit takes time. Regularly check your progress and make adjustments as needed. With consistent effort, you will see improvements in your credit history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.